Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'll be showing you how to make a pizza sauce. One of the most important things about pizza is your sauce, toppings as well, and the dough, but I think the pizza sauce is what everybody underestimates, and sometimes we just open a can and we think it's good enough. But I think a bit more emphasis and a bit more, shall we say, love and TLC going into a tomato sauce makes a big difference, and it makes the pizza taste a little bit extra and special. So I've got some tin tomatoes. I'm making a large pizza, so this is for my challenge actually. If you click on the video links, you'll probably find my first YouTube challenge where I'm making two nearly 1 meter pizzas. So this pizza sauce is for that challenge. But if you need to reduce it down, just go down to the description below and I'll show you how to make enough pizza sauce for one 14-inch pizza. So I've got some tin tomatoes and I've got some olive oil, onions, herbs, and some salt and pepper. And then that's all it basically takes. It just takes a little bit of time and some TLC, and you'll have a great pizza sauce in about 40 minutes. Okay, so see you back at the hob. Okay, so I've got the hob on. I'm going to pour my olive oil. And on a medium here, I'm going to pop in the onions. I just want to cook some of the onions off and the garlic off so that they're translucent, and onions will start releasing some of the flavors with the garlic. Tin tomatoes, you could use fresh tomatoes actually. I've used tin tomatoes because I couldn't really find Romano tomatoes, but in this case I'm just using just your average chopped tin tomatoes. Just keep an eye on your onions and garlic. Just make sure that they don't brown off too much. They should just be translucent before we drop in the herbs. Do follow me on Instagram. I've got a massive challenge that I've been performing for the kids. We've had around about 17 children come up to my daughter, and she was having a party and she wanted the biggest pizza that we could create at home. So a lot of this pizza sauce that I'm creating is actually for that challenge. So in go my herbs, and I'm going to put the salt and pepper in. Just got to cook my onions and garlic off a little bit more. I mean, pizza is a dish that everybody tends to have very frequently, whether they make it at home or whether they buy it in. But if you're making your own pizza sauce, the good thing about this is you can actually make your own in a batch and freeze it. So in go my chopped tomatoes, and you'll find that sometimes, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm a shrewd shopper, but if I can see a bargain, I'll always try and think 10 steps ahead and see if I can make something. So if I was going to the shops and I found Romano tomatoes, I'd probably look at something that I could make, maybe a pizza sauce or a Chester sauce with the tomatoes itself. Right, so my tin tomatoes are now in, and really basic what you need to do is just on a low to medium heat, let it just simmer, and I'll see you back in about 25 minutes.